Assalamualaikum children. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine and happy with your family at home. Okay children, before we start our class, let's recite doa penerang hati and doa waktu pagi first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a wa rizqan thayyiba wa amalan mutaqabbala. Amin. Surah hafazan for today is Surah Ad-Duha. Don't forget to memorize with your parent at home. Okay children, now teacher want to tell you a very short story about Nabi Zakaria alaihi salam. Nabi Zakaria alaihi salam, Nabi ke-22 daripada 25 Nabi yang perlu kita tahu. Okey dia, sama seperti Nabi-Nabi yang lain, Nabi Zakaria juga ditentang ketika menyampaikan dakwah. Ketika usia Nabi 90 tahun, Nabi belum dikurniakan cahaya mata. Nak tahu tak cahaya mata tu apa? Cahaya mata tu anak. Untuk lagi senang you all faham, cahaya mata tu baby. Suatu hari, doa Nabi Zakaria dimakbulkan oleh Allah. Nabi Zakaria dikurniakan anak dan anak Nabi Zakaria dinamakan dengan Yahya. Sebagai hamba Allah, kita kena sentiasa berdoa kepada Allah. Okay children, today we need to use nursery program books number 2. Okay, now turn to page 1 and read with teacher. My siblings. She is my sister. He is my baby brother. We like to play together. Okay, today you also need to make your own family photo book. First, you need to take the photo of your family and paste here. Photo of your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, and don't forget to paste your photo too. Then, you need to fold the card like this. After you have finished, make sure you keep it nicely. Okay dear, that's all for today. I hope you will enjoy this activity at home. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care, stay safe, bye.